Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here again with another 13 Frights Before Halloween project. This one is super easy. So I have black cardstock that I have embossed with a Cuttlebug spiderweb embossing folder that I've had for probably since I started paper crafting, so probably 15 years. What we are going to do is we're going to take this embossed image and we are going to take some of the Simon Hurley Lunar Paste. This is triple berry. There's a brand new like midnight snack, I think is the name of it, that's like a blue, dark kind of bluish purple that is gorgeous that I couldn't get my hands on yet. So we're going to use the triple berry. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get it on my finger, so this is going to be messy, and we are just going to rub that over the raised areas created when we ran that black cardstock through with the embossing folder. I want to be kind of gentle. See, like right here I got a little carried away and got it kind of down in the grooves, which I did not intend to do. That's okay. We'll cover that with a sentiment because, you know, that's the nice thing about cards is you have that option usually. So I'm just going to be very gentle. I don't want a whole lot of it on my finger as I do this. And we're just going to run this over all of these raised areas. A little carried away there, but that's okay. Okay, so there's that. I am going to wipe my finger off really quick. I'm just going to take spray some water on my finger and wipe that off. That'll get most of that. Okay, I'm going to let this dry for a second. In the meantime, I'm going to grab a card base. So this is actually this is not the right size. Never mind, hold on, we're not going to use that one. Maybe. So this is going to be just a standard A2 card. So let me grab my little score pal. We are going to score this at 4 1/4. We went really thin with that. That should be good and dry. So we are going to trim this down to, draw a blank, sorry, 5 1/4 by 4. So I'm going to go about there. Actually about 4 inches. So there we go. Which means I missed a couple of spots on here. So I'm just going to hit those really quickly. We could have actually gone with the other side where the spider web itself is raised. So if we had done that, it would have been more, I like the other side better. Okay. off really quick. Okay. So that is going to go on there. Grab a tape runner. Totally crooked. Oh my god. Wow, is that crooked. Okay, I'm not sure how I managed that, but we will fix that really quickly. That's why I don't use the little guillotine cutter very often, because that's what ends up happening. I am just like trimmer challenged, I swear, some days. There we go. That evens it up. Alright. And of course I got something on my card front, because that's just how this has gone today. Like always. Okay. So, we need a sentiment. And in this case, I had it in my hand, literally. I'm going to go with eek. And I'm going to take a piece of, I have the cardstock for this too, and I don't know where I put it. Very good question. We're going to go with that. And my white ink, wherever it has disappeared to. Okay. So I'm going to go with the sugar cube ink. I am just going to stamp that down in this corner. And see if I can do it a second time. Nope, it's off. Okay. And we'll go over here and try again. Nope. Okay. We're not going to do sugar cube because this is going to drive me crazy. We are going to do Villainous Potion, Distress, Oxide, because that will show up beautifully, maybe. I swear the card gods do not want me to get anything done today. Oh, for fuck's sake. Let's try this. Nope, don't work. Okay, so I have my little sentiment, I can't even talk. And this is just, I did this with the Cricut, obviously. No, I hand cut these letters, yeah, I know. Not a chance. And I'm gonna just pop this up. And actually I'm gonna start on this end. With the end of my little sentiment here. So that I get it spaced right and I don't end up with it too far over or not far enough over. Okay, so we have our little exclamation point. Do our little K. Oops. our next little card. Super, super simple, but still a cute one to send to a kid or friend or family or whatever for Halloween. I'll be back again with another Halloween project next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.